Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing a review on the Ouchwan Smart X Pro gimbal. Now this gimbal does come with some accessories. You will get an LED light. Here we have the power button and the mode. We do have two magnets, one in the back and one on the bottom, so you can mount it any way you like. You will get a charging cable as well, and then finally a little tripod, which actually functions very well and is very stable. Now aside from that, you do get the manual for the light, and there's actually a lot of features on this light. A lot of different colors to choose from, and different color tones and brightness levels. So this little light, although it's small, it's still a powerhouse. And then you're going to get the manual for the Smart X Pro gimbal, which you will need. Now to operate this gimbal, it's actually pretty simple. Now my absolute favorite thing about this gimbal is that you can operate it without having to download any app. Although it does have an app that you can download, which will give you a lot more features, you really don't need to download it to operate this gimbal, which makes this a great gimbal for anyone that's looking for something that just works straight out of the box. So as you can see, very compact, and even all of the accessories are very small as well. Now to operate, you just flick it open. You're going to then install your phone and then hold the power button. So as you can see, it is now on and it's usable. Obviously there's no phone on here right now, so it's not leveling out. Now if you decide to not install the app like I am, you won't have access to a couple of features. So you won't be able to use the focus wheel, you won't be able to use the zoom or the record button. But other than that, you have access to every single thing within this menu. This gimbal even has an integrated light. So if you just press the power, you'll see how the light turns on, and you will have 3 different intensities, and that's going to be the strongest. So not only do you have the LED that's included in this kit, but there's also an LED on the gimbal. So here are all the features that you can use straight from the menu. This is going to be the full lock mode. Then you have the point of view mode. Then you have the fan follow mode. Then you have the full follow mode. And then back to full lock mode. And then finally, you also have access to the joystick, which will allow you to pan in different directions. So I mean, honestly, I really don't feel like you need to install the app. Like I said, there are a couple of features that you won't have access to, but those features really aren't necessary for me. And overall, I really do recommend this 3-axis gimbal for any smartphone you might have, especially if you're looking for a gimbal that works straight out of the box and that doesn't require any app installation to use it. Like I said, if you're looking for a gimbal, this is a great option.